Conventions for spherical surfaces. Coming to the sign conventions for spherical surfaces, the first sign convention is all the distance should be measured from pole, and pole also called as optic center. You should remember that pole, another name is optic center. Coming to the second rule, if the distance is measuring in the same direction that of the incident ray, that we should consider as positive. Is it clear? And one more thing, children, let us consider I am the object, so all the incident rays will be emitted from me. Is it clear? See, for suppose I am standing in front of the mirror. Let us assume that I am standing in front of the mirror. So this is acting like the object, nothing but I am acting like the object. So all the rays will be emitted, infinite number of rays will be emitted by the object. You should take the reference ray which is passing from object to mirror or any refracting surface. Is it clear, children? The reference ray should be always travel from object to refracting surface or reflecting surface. Is it clear? So this is the reference incident ray. Is it clear? The reference incident ray always it should travels from object towards the refracting surface or reflecting surface. Understood? So the reference ray, nothing but the reference incident ray will travels from object towards mirror or any refracting surface. So if the measuring distance is opposite to the incident ray, that you should consider as negative. If the distance is measuring in the same direction that of the incident ray, that you should consider as positive. Is it clear? Coming to the third rule, the height of the object or height of the image lying above the principal axis or optical axis is taken as positive. Optical axis is nothing but principal axis only. Don't get confused, children. If the height of the object or image which is measuring below the principal axis, that you should consider as negative. Is it clear? Now I am going to be explained with the example. Since this is the object, so this is the direction of the reference incident ray. Why? Because the light ray, reference incident ray will travels from object towards the refracting surface. This will be the direction of the incident reference ray. Is it clear? Now, first rule, all the distance should be measured from pole. And one more thing, the distance from optic center to object, nothing but pole to object, is called object distance. Object distance is denoted by small u. Coming to the image distance, the distance between pole to image is image distance denoted by small v. The distance between pole to center is nothing but radius of curvature. See, why I had taken the radius of curvature as pole to center. If at all you have drawn all the normals will converge at optic center or diverge from optic center. Is it clear? That's why I consider the distance between pole to center of curvature as radius of curvature. Is it clear? And moreover, this is the direction of the incident ray. Why? Because from the object towards the refracting surface or reflecting surface, you should take the reference incident ray. Now I am applying the sign conventions. PO is nothing but object distance. And what is the first rule? All the distance should be measured from pole or optic center. This is the pole. So whatever the measuring distance is there, that you should measure from pole. So you are moving opposite to the incident ray to measure the object distance. So it is negative. Coming to the image distance, the distance from pole to image, I. Here I had taken the pointed size of object. That's why you got the pointed size of image. Is it clear? So the distance from pole to image, that is which is in the same direction that of the incident ray. So here you will get as positive. Coming to the radius, you need to measure from pole to center of curvature. Is it clear? The distance from pole to center of curvature is called radius of curvature. So in order to measure the radius of curvature, you should move along the direction of the incident ray. So this one also positive. Understood, children?